Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can make a zip file. So here you can see I have a folder over here called my file, and I am going to make this folder into a zip file. So let me just go inside, and inside this folder I have a few folder, text file and a few images here. So right now let's just go back, and in order to make this into a zip file you need to click on this folder, then right click on your mouse, and then if you just go down there you can see we have an option called show more options. If I now click on it, there you will see an option called send to option. So once you take your cursor on this send to option or click on this send to option, you will see few options here, and there you can see compressed zip folder. So in order to make a zip file you need to click on this option compressed zip folder. So I'll click on this, and it will take a few seconds, and there you go, a zip folder is created. So inside this zip folder or zip file we have every other folders and file here you can see. And the benefit of using zip file is that here you can see that the file size is 12.7 MB, but for this zip file the file size decreased to 12.6 MB. So that's the benefit of using zip file, and you can also send a zip file really easily to anyone. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to leave a comment, give a like, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.